Dear friends, welcome back to Digital Electronics lecture series. So in this video we will discuss about the weighted and non-weighted binary code. We know that there is a different types of codes are there: BCD code, XS3 code and gray code. So in this video we will discuss all that codes.
Dear friends, welcome back once again in Digital Electronics lecture series. So as per discussion today, in this video, we will discuss about weighted and non-weighted binary. So weighted means there is some weight is given. So there is three types of weighted code we will discuss in this video. Straight binary code is nothing but our main binary number system. The natural, or it is also called binary coded decimal, it has a weight 8421. Similarly, there is a different 4-bit weighted codes are there: 2421, 5421, 7421, 6311, and 3321. So there are 4-bit weighted codes are there. So these are classified in weighted binary codes. Now, first code is straight binary code. We know all about that. Straight binary code means it has a weight like 2 raised to 0, to 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 4, means 8, 4 to 1, then 16, then 32, then 64, then 128. So this is straight binary code. So it has a weight start from 2 raised to 0 up to 2 raised to 7. So 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4 to 1. So this is straight binary code. Similarly, octal code also, we know that octal code has a base 8 and hexadecimal has the base 16. So base 8 means 0 to 7 is same as the decimal value, and binary number system is same. But similarly, in hexadecimal, we know that 0 to 9 decimal is as it is, but the 10 is coded as the A, B, then C, D, and finally 15 is coded as the F. Now, in this lecture, we will discuss about the BCD code. So BCD is nothing but the binary coded decimal. So here, the conversion between decimal, binary, and BCD is shown in this table. But here, let one example related to code conversion. So here, one example is taken 10 decimal. So here it is 10, means this is decimal value. So we know that binary conversion according to 8421 code is 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So straight binary code is 1010 value. So this is straight binary coded value. Now, similarly, this 1010 is converted into octal number system. So octal has a 8 bit. So it has a 2 raised to 3, means we have to make 3 pair. So here first pair is 010 and second one is 1. So remaining 20 is fading. So 001 is nothing but the 421, and this one is also 421. So 421 is 1 and this is 2. So it is 12 octal. So here also 10 decimal is binary 100 and octal number is 12. And we know that 10 decimal is decoded encoded as a A. So it is hexadecimal value A. Now in BCD number system, it is standard coded with a weight of 8421. So here 1 and 0, it is considered 2 digits. So 0 is encoded with the 8421 code, as well as 1 is also encoded with the 8421. So 1 is 0001 and 0 is 0000. So 0001, the first digit, 1 is decoded as a 0001 in BCD number system, and 0 is decoded as a 000. So this is code conversion from binary to decimal. Here, all the code has a specifically weight. Octal number system has a weight 8421, decimal binary number system has the 8421, and BCD also 8421. There is a not confused between the straight binary code and BCD. BCD has a weight up to 8421, but binary is continue up to 1632. Whatever number of bits are increased as per the weight is increased. But BCD code, there is a weight is fixed 8421. Okay, so this is BCD code. It is weighted BCD code. Now, similarly, different types of also 4-bit weighted codes are there. So here different weight is given. Here 421 is given. Here 5311 is given. 421 is given. 3321 given. 2421, 8421, and 7421. and based on that weight value 0 to 9 is represented. Let one example, if we have a decimal value 9, then in 5421, 5 plus 4 so is equal to 9, so 1100. So this is the code conversion in terms of 4211. Similarly 531, then 5 plus 3, here 11 is given, so we have to take a lower weight, so 5 plus 3 plus 1, so it is also 9. 421 means 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, and 1 9. 3 3 2 1, 3 plus 3 6, 7 8 and 9. 2 4 plus 2 6, 7 8 and 9. 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. Similarly 7 4 2 1, 7 plus 2 and 9, so 1 0 1 0, and 8 4 2 1 1 0 0 1. So this is also called as the different types of weight: 5 4 2 1, 5 3 1 1, 4 2 2 1, 3 3 2 1, 2 4 2 1, 8 4 2 1, and 7 4 2 1 are classified weighted code. Now next category is non-weighted code, means the code has a no specified weight is no weight is specified. So there is a accessory code, well-known accessory code, and gray code. So in this video we will discuss accessory code and gray code. So to convert, first of all, accessory code. So to convert the accessory code, we have to add number digit, means 3 we have to add in decimal value. So suppose example is given, pi decimal is given, and we have to convert into accessory code. Then first of all we have to add pi, 3 we have to add, so 5 plus 3 is nothing but the 8 decimal. Now these 8 we have to convert into BCD value. So BCD value of 8 according to weight of 8421 1000. So 5 decimal is converted into accessory is 1000. So this is accessory code conversion from decimal to accessory. Now similarly, take one example here. 56 is given. Now what about the accessory code? So 5, one digit is 5, so we have to add 3 in 5, and 6 plus 3, so 8 and 9. So this is decimal value, and individually value we have to convert into BCD code. So 8 is converted into BCD 100, and 9 is converted into bit form 8421. So 1 8 plus 1, so 1001. So 56 decimal access value is 10001001. Now take another example where a decimal value have a value greater than 9. So suppose 98. So this 98 means 98 decimal. When we convert into access 3, we have to add 3. So 8 plus 3 is here 11, and 9 plus 3 is 12. Now we have to convert according to 8421 code. 11 is nothing but the 8 plus 2 plus 1, and 12 is nothing but the 8 plus 4, so 12. So accessory code is 11001001. So here it is related to BCD code, but it is not directly weighted, so it is non-weighted code. It is also called self-complementary code. So this is related to accessory code. When decimal is given, we have to add 3 and we have to convert its BCD value, so BCD decimal to accessory code conversion there. Now similarly, if we have a accessory code, means accessory code is given and you have to convert into decimal. Suppose example is given 11000011 is accessory code, and we have to convert into decimal. So when we convert from decimal to accessory, we added 3. So in accessory to decimal, we have to do reverse process. So first of all 8421 according to BCD coded weighted 1100 is nothing but the decimal value is 12, and here 84211011 is nothing but the 7. So where from binary decimal to accessory we add 3, so here we have to subtract 3. So minus 3, 12 minus 3 is nothing but the 9, and 7 minus 3 is nothing but the 4. So 11000011 accessory code conversion to decimal is 9410. So this is code conversion from decimal to accessory as well as accessory to decimal. Now next non-weighted code is called the gray code. So gray code is also non-weighted code. This gray code also not specific weight is given. It is also called unit distance code because one unit distance is changed. It is also called cyclic or reflected or mirror code. Why it is called mirror code? So first of all, let understand that there is here and in this table the 0 to 15 decimal is given, and according to 8421 code, 8421 binary code is given. Okay, now this conversion is we know, but when we observe this gray code, so how this gray code is written? For that here I written already that. So 000, first we have to write 2-digit value in a binary number system. 000110 and 11 is written. So here, so first of all 0001 10 की जगह 11 and then 10 we have to return, and these two are 00. Now when here suppose one mirror is given, and when we observe in mirror, so last value, this last value seen fast. So first of all we have to write 10, then 11, then 01, then 00. Now increment this 0 to 1111. Now suppose next time suppose mirror is kept here. So first of all we observe 100, then 101, then 111, then 110, then 010, then 011, 001 and 00. Now here all 0000 become 111. So this is the conversion from binary to gray code. So if you have a 1 to 15 binary number, by this method you can write equivalent to gray code. But what is the mathematical expression? How we have to convert binary code to gray code? Let's one example. So suppose here first binary code to gray code conversion. Suppose 1010 binary, it is nothing but the 10 value, decimal value 10. Okay, we know that it is 100 means 8421. So 1010 is 10. Now from binary to gray code conversion, so this one is LSB, least significant bit, and this one is MSB. So this one is MSB and this one is LSB. So in this method, first of all we have to cap MSB as it is. So this one is kept as it is. Now this MSB means MSB, next digit whatever is there, we have to do XOR operation. So what is XOR expression? So here 2-bit XOR operation is shown 00, 01, 10 and 11. So XOR operation is nothing but when 2 bits are complement to each other, then output is 1, otherwise 0. So here 1 XOR 0. So 1 XOR 0 means both are complement to each other. So answer is 1. Now once again this 0 is XORing with this next digit. So 0 XOR 1, once again complement. So 1 XOR 0. So once again 1. So binary code, this one is binary code and this is gray code. So how we are converting? Suppose 1010, its weight, its name is B3, B2, B1, B0. Then equivalent G3, G2, G1, G0, how we convert? So G3 is nothing but, this one is G3 is nothing but the G2. G3 is nothing but the B3. Now G2 is nothing but the B3 XOR B2. G1 is nothing but the B2 XOR B1 and G0 equal to B1 XOR B0. So this one is 100 and answer is 111. So here also in table 100, here 100, 100, so answer is 111. So we are converting true value. Okay, now let's another example. Suppose this is binary value is given 11001101. Now according to method, first of all this one is MSB and this one is LSB. So first of all MSB as it is, we have to keep LSB as it is, and 1 XOR 0 once again complement to each other, so answer is 1. 0 XOR 0, both are same, so answer is 0. 0 XOR 1, both are complement to each other, so answer is 1. 1 XOR 1, 1 and 1 both are same, so answer is 0. 1 XOR 0, both are complement to each other, so answer is 1. 0 XOR 1, both are complement to each other, so answer 1. So this one is the binary code and this one is gray code. So 100110 equivalent gray code is 11010111. So in this way if any binary value is given, we can easily convert it to gray code. Now, similarly, if gray code is given and we have to convert binary code, so next method 111, this answer is also we verify 100 binary is equivalent to gray 111. Now take one example and check vice versa, both are true or both method are true or not. So 1111, so this is nothing but the gray code. So in gray code to binary code conversion also, first of all, this one is MSB and this one is LSB. So here also MSB we have to kept as it is. So one is kept as it is. Now here the XORing operation, whatever we are getting the answer, that answer value we have to do XOR with the next digit. So 1 XOR 1. Here in binary to gray next digit we are doing XORing. So here with answer to next digit we have to do XORing operation. So 1 XOR 1, so both are same, so answer is 0. 0 XOR 1, both are complement to each other, so answer is 1. 1 XOR 1, both are same, so answer is 0. So it is nothing but the 1 0 1 0, and same answer we get. So this method is true. So in mathematical expression, the equation is nothing but, so suppose this one is G3 G2 G1 G0 and B3 B2 B1 0. So what we are doing, MSB as it is, with the answer of B3 XORing next digit means B3 XOR G2, B1, B2 XOR G1, and B0 is B1 XOR G0. So this is standard formula from gray to binary conversion. Now let's take another example. Suppose same value. In previous example, 10011 101 is given and we are converting into gray code. So here also we cross check. So initially this 110111, so this is gray code. So here this is MSB and this one is LSB. So MSB first of all write as it is. So this one is 1 kept as it is. Now 1 XOR 1, next digit 1 XOR 1. So both are same. So answer is 0. Now 0 XOR 0, both are same. So again answer 0. 0 XOR 1, so both are complement to each other. So answer is 1. 1 XOR 0, again both are complement to each other. So answer is 1. 1 XOR 1, both are same. So answer is 0. And 0 XOR 1, so answer is 1. So here 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 gray code, and we are getting the answer 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 binary value. So 2. So here also we are observing that in the both matter, binary to gray or gray to binary code conversion, we are getting the same answer. So in this way, you can convert any gray code to binary code as well as the binary code to gray code. Okay.